and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? It's Christmas. I hope you have a wonderful holiday with your loved ones. So for today's video, I'm going to do another glam look. I will call this look as a New Year's Eve makeup look. But of course, you can absolutely do this on any occasion or special events that you are going to. Or if you just wanted to recreate it and wanted to try this makeup look. So from my previous video of the holiday glam makeup look, I used all drugstore makeup for my full face makeup tutorial. So for this video, I thought of doing the opposite. So with this glam makeup look, I use all luxury makeup brands. Except for my brows because I can't find my brow pencil. So for the first time, I tried to do the soap brows. So I actually kind of like how it looks, how it turned out. It's pretty different to what I'm used to, but it's just nice to try new things and switch up your look. But what do you guys think? For the eyeshadow, I also did a wing editorial kind of look, which I haven't tried before. So I hope you like this one. And if you do, then keep on watching because I will show you how to do this makeup look. So if you guys are ready, here it goes.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Now the sunshine brings the light. Fill me out with a flame. I will let you in this game. Take me out where I'm down. 'Cause with you I'm safe and sound. 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 I'm safe and sound.
Also, I want to take this opportunity for each and every one of you who supported me on my journey this year, especially with all the struggles and all that we've been through. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me, and I hope that I will still see you in 2021 and for a very long time. I wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year for you and your family. Take care and keep safe.